Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change a printer from offline to online and vice versa. So before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel for other tutorials and do that right now. Once you're done, we can start with the tutorial. This is gonna be an easy and a quick tutorial, and all you want to do is just go to the start menu and type in control panel. Open the control panel desktop app and click on hardware and sound. Click on devices and printers, and now because I don't have a printer now connected to it, my printer there doesn't seem to be have a printer in the printers menu, but you should see your own printer somewhere here. So basically what you want to do is just right click on your printer that you're using. It should be named Dell, Epson, Brother, etc. And you want to go to printer properties. So go to printer properties, not properties, printer properties. Click on printer properties, and there should be a ports tab somewhere here. So what you want to do is just go and click on that. So once you're there, scroll on the list and find the one that is checked. Once you find it, click on it and click on manage. So I'm gonna show you right now. Go to the ports tab and find the one that is checked. So for me it is this one. For you it may be some other port, I don't know. Click on it and click on manage or configure port. Once you're there, you'd want to disable or uncheck the MSMP. It should be somewhere in the properties. And once you're done, just turn your printer off and on again and restart your PC. This should fix the problem for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like and comment.